Have you ever faced a big decision where you didn't know the outcome? Maybe you just had to take a risk and hope for the best. It is a feeling we all know. That moment of uncertainty can be scary, but also exciting. In English, we have a perfect phrase for this. Today, we are going to learn the idiom, roll the dice. Understanding this will help you describe those risky moments perfectly. Let me tell you about Tom. Tom's boss told him, "We need to roll the dice on this new project." Tom looked very confused. So, Tom literally took out a pair of dice and rolled them on the meeting table. Everyone stared at him in silence. It was quite awkward. For Tom, he didn't know that roll the dice is an idiom. It doesn't mean playing a game with actual dice. To roll the dice means to take a risk in hopes of a good result, even though you don't know what will happen. It comes from gambling games. When you throw the dice, you can't control the numbers. You just hope for a lucky win. Now, let's look at a correct way to use it. Meet Sarah. Sarah wanted to move to a new city for a better life. She didn't know if she would find a job there, but she decided to go anyway. She told her friend, "I'm going to roll the dice." Sarah took a brave risk. She rolled the dice on her future, and luckily, it worked out. Here are some other ways you can use roll the dice in conversation. Listen closely to these examples. Example 1. The company decided to roll the dice on the new product launch. This means they took a business risk. Example 2. I'm not sure if this recipe will taste good, but I'll roll the dice and try it. This means taking a chance on cooking. How can you remember this? Just picture a game. When you throw dice, the result is out of your hands. It is all about luck. Did you know that this phrase has a deep history? Let's look at some fun facts about rolling the dice. Famous Roman leader Julius Caesar reportedly said the die is cast when crossing a river to start a war. It meant there was no turning back, and the result was now left to fate. This idiom reflects a cultural belief that life often involves luck. Sometimes, hard work isn't enough, and you have to trust fate. If you want to say something similar, you can say take a chance or give it a shot. These are very common too. The opposite would be to play it safe or to bet on a sure thing. That means avoiding risk entirely. Be careful not to say roll the die. Even though die is singular, the idiom is always plural, roll the dice. Also, don't use it for very serious safety matters. You wouldn't say, "I'll roll the dice" about wearing a seatbelt. Now, let's test your knowledge. What does roll the dice mean? Is it A, play a game? B, take a risk? Or C, eat dinner? If you guess B, take a risk, you are correct. Great job following along. So remember, roll the dice is a great way to talk about bravery and uncertainty. It adds color to your English conversations. Have you ever rolled the dice on a big decision? Tell us in the comments. Please like and subscribe for more lessons. See you next time.